I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. And today I'm going to be reviewing the February IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So the theme for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus for February 2020 is IPSY Feel the Love. It reads within the play card, treat yourself. Your 5 picked for you Glam Bag Plus products, valued at over $120 US, are here to make you swoon. Prepare to crush hard. And the first thing I have brought out of the box is the Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Whew. There's one skincare step you can't skip no matter the weather or time of year, and that's sunscreen. Yes. Luckily, this lightweight moisturizer infused with broad spectrum SPF 30, brightening vitamin C, and protecting ginkgo biloba leaf extract makes it easy to get your necessary daily dose. The tip is to, at least 15 minutes before sun exposure, apply a generous amount of this lightweight lotion to your face, neck, and chest. Nicely done. Let's check out this Murad and see how it looks inside. The Essential C-Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 comes in this container. I'm assuming that's just from travel in the package, but yeah, this is what it looks like. See, if it's vitamin C, I wonder if it smells like vitamin C. As in orange, you know, like citrus. I don't know, but I'm gonna, oh, there we go. So there was no protective cover on that. Normally they'll come with a little piece over it that you have to peel off, and that tells you that, you know, perhaps no one had access to it, but, oh no, it does. It does have that vitamin C citrusy smell. My skin is drinking it up a bit. I guess a little of this would go a long way, and I'm just applying this to the back of my hand, but it kind of reminds me, I smell the SPF 2 in there a little bit. It smells kind of suntan-y, if that makes sense, like the suntan lotions that you wear in the summer. So it does give me a scent, that promise of summer. The next little baby that's in there, this is from Il Maquillage. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is their ink liner in black, calling all cat eye newbies. That would be me. This liquid liner is about to change your life. The elongated, flexible felt tip has a sharp point that makes lash hugging lines and dramatic flicks a piece of cake. This I gotta see. You'll never need to worry about smearing or smudging. This formula stays put for up to 14 hours. Yes, I gotta see. It says for the tip, the thickness of your lines is totally customizable. Use light pressure to create thin lines and a little heavier bit of a pressure to create thicker lines. Let's see how it looks inside, because I'm not really sure. A typical look of a eyeliner, and that is the point right there. Wow, that's really pointy right there. A long elongated, absolutely. Can't wait to try it. Let's see how dark it is. You see right there, not bad. It felt nice, you know, the point felt soft, you know, but still I had control over it. Okay, ooh. What is this? This is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Eyeshadow Palette. This palette proves that cozy neutrals aren't just a winter staple for your closet. They're a seasonal must in your makeup bag, too. The 6 matte shades include cool taupe, pale pinks and mauves, warm brown, rich lavender, and deep purple allow you to create endless eye looks. The tip, lavender lids are going to be everywhere this spring, so get ahead of the trend and start wearing chilly. Is it chill? Chill right now. So lavender, ooh, I almost dropped this, God forbid. Let's see how it looks inside. I think I have one other piece from Dominique Cosmetics. This is what it looks like in there. It doesn't come with an applicator brush, but it does come with a mirror. And the colors are promising. Pretty much describe to the T what it looks like. And if you look up, the texture on this is kind of raised, and it looks like the texture of a sweater. Now here's a company that I'm familiar with, Touch and Soul. They have a primer that like a year or two ago, everybody was talking about it because it was like a blurring primer that they said was a cheaper dupe to the Smashbox version of their clear primer. And apparently they're coming out now with lipsticks. This is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Soul Velvet Lipstick in Soul Rose. I gotta see how this looks like inside. And when I say Seoul Rose, as in Seoul, Korea. And this is the packaging. It's cute. You know, let's see. Oh. It kind of reminds me of the packaging of Smashbox with their 8-hour lipstick. But it's not magnetized. But that's okay. Let's see how the color. Oh, that's a pretty color. It almost matches. I wonder. Looks like it matches. Maybe they have all of them. If they have a shade range, maybe they all are the color of what's inside. But that's a pretty rose color. And let's see how it looks here. Seems to match what you see. Like what you see is what you get. I don't really catch a scent. I thought I would, but no. Like that. So here's the description that was in the play card. It reads, at IPSY we believe that your lipstick should be as versatile as you are, which is why we're in love with this romantic rosy pink shade from K-beauty brand Touch and Soul. The matte finish formula lasts for hours, and the buttery smooth finish melts right onto your lips as soon as you swipe it on. And it says for the tip, this formula is totally customizable. Swipe it on and shear it out with your fingers for a subtle lip stain, or really layer it on for high impact color. Nice, like that. Oh my goodness. You know, if you have viewed my channel at all, you know I do have a segment on skincare, like skin masks. Are these like, yes, they're sheet masks. One in kale, one in ginger with vitamin C, and beet and vitamin A. What is this brand? Let's see. This is the Sweet Chef Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask Set, and they gave me 3. Like, wow, okay. Let's see what else this says. These cloth sheet masks aren't just cute, they're packed with superfoods and vitamins to give you your glowiest skin ever. Use the kale plus vitamin B mask when your skin needs moisture and nourishment, the beet plus vitamin A mask to refine your texture, and the ginger plus vitamin C to boost your brightness. Tip, don't forget to snap a pic. Each one of these sheet masks is printed with cute little sayings to up your selfie game. How cute. How cute. I love cute, don't get me wrong, but mostly I'm about, are they effective? Do they do the job? Are they safe for your skin? These are the things that my focus is in. Is it cruelty free? That would be another. So I'm really excited. The directions are clearly on the back, so you can follow along. And I can't wait to put these on for my, I usually do like skin masks. I try to do them over the weekend, like on a Sunday, so I may be doing it then. So what grade would I give the February IPSY Glam Bag Plus bag? Which, by the way, I almost neglected to mention, also came with this lovely little bag, which has the IPSY logo on that, free and clear. And this is one of their kind of subdued bags. Like, this is not as, you know, interesting with the prints and colors. This is kind of like a subdued, beautiful, lovely, pretty, frosty, deep pink. So I kind of love that. And of course, there's the logo on there. I'm going to give this an A-. I'm going to give it an A- simply because what else would I have liked to see in here? I would have loved to have seen something for the hair, but that's a minor thing. This is pushing towards A. I think they did a very good job this month with the IPSY Glam Plus bag. I'm trying to remember if I actually chose anything. I think I chose, because they do give you an option to choose one thing for your box and bag, and I chose this, the Dominique Cosmetics, because I know I received one prior. I had one prior, and I was okay. I'm gonna check and see if I can find a video and post this somewhere here. I don't know if it left a deep impression on me, so I'm gonna try it again to see, give the cosmetics brand a second chance, because I keep passing videos of people who say, oh, they loved it, it was wonderful, it was awesome. Okay, great. Or maybe I've just tried too many palettes and they've all started to blur. I don't know. There have been some standouts. I don't believe Dominique Cosmetics was one of them, so I am willing to give them a chance and try again. And I love the concept. It's really cute, so I can't wait to use it. I think I'm going to create a look. I have enough stuff to create a look, so I can't wait to do it. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing for the February 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. What did you get in your box? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching. And I will be posting a follow-up video just basically showcasing everything here except for the masks. I'll probably save that for my Sunday mask making. And to just show you the complete look that I get from what I got from this one's box. Thank you so much again. If I haven't said so already, thank you again for joining me. I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and I'll see you on my next makeup adventure. Take care. Bye.